guys, Toronto Guy here for another jolly, yeah, it's not even Christmas, unless you're watching this at Christmas time, episode of Toronto Guy Cooks. Today, we're going to be making something, which I'll get into in a minute, but first, I just want to announce this right now. This is going to be the last episode of Toronto Guy Cooks. It is right now, July the 12th, I believe. Yes, the 12th. This is going to be the last episode of Toronto Guy Cooks until September. Why? Because if anybody remembers, some time ago I was like, this is the series finale of Toronto Guy Cooks, I'm going to go do other stuff. And then I took like a couple months off and I came back. Alright? The series finale, quote unquote, was episode 66. Right now, this here is episode 106. So it's been 40 straight weeks, okay? I need to chill and break for a bit. All this awesome food I've been making has been slowing down my cardio and buffing up in this, you know what I mean? So, if you're watching these live every week, as they're updated, September, okay? This is my school holiday. This is my summer holidays, okay? I just need to chill, and then we're gonna come back, make more stuff, and it's gonna be awesome, all right? So, just fine. You're all gonna be fine. There's 106 episodes to watch, for crying out loud. Anyway, today, we are going to be making a very lovely Spanish Longaniza rice casserole. What's Longaniza, Toronto Guy? Longaniza is a Spanish sausage looking like this. Now this is already cooked. This is pre-cooked, so we're not going to have to cook it for long, but this is how, well, it doesn't, this is not how it, stop, okay, calm down. Whenever I cook, I get excited. Calm down. Stuttering. Longaniza comes in various shapes. This one was each one was about maybe an inch and a half long, and they were linked, so I cut them up and here we go. All right, see, calm. But we're not gonna add that yet. Instead, we're gonna add some oil to our big rock pot. That's right. Now, those of you remember, there was an episode when I first used this rock pot, which I got for Christmas last year. It came with a book of recipes, which is over there. And I made something from it. And there's many more recipes in it that I want to make, so don't worry, Toronto Guy Cooks is not going anywhere. Until, well, it'll be back. Just saying. Alright, medium heat. Ooh, it's splattering. Alright. Right here we've got 1 medium onion and 8 cloves of garlic. You can use, I would say, minimum a tablespoon. I want flavor, so I've used 8 cloves of garlic, all nicely chopped. Get on in there, baby. All right. Now we're gonna cook this till it's fragrant and lovely and aromatic. Oh, which it already is. All right, it's time for the next step. No, it's not, but oh, I love the smell of garlic and onion just sautéing, and cooking. Love it. So yeah, man. Like for the past few weeks, I've been like, oh, I gotta cook something again and film it for the fans, damn it. Ugh. So I decided today, you know what? Let's just take a break. All right, it's been 40 straight episodes. Previous where I did seasons, like the seasons were like 13 episodes each, and then I took like a month or 2 off. This has been 40 weeks in a row, almost a damn year. So cut me some slack. This is my summer holidays. We'll be back in September. Better than ever, but the same, I'm sure we're still gonna have the same freaking setup because only Freeman and Black Goldfish give me money. Unfortunately, it's not enough for me to upgrade to a multi-million-dollar kitchen, so we're stuck with this setup. All right, let's let this cook and become more fragrant. Don't want to go for too long. Don't want to burn the garlic. Ah, there we go. There we go. Smells lovely. Smells jolly. Toronto Guy cooking. All right, now we're gonna add our sliced Longaniza sausages. If you don't have Longaniza because you can't find them or because you're just racist, you can use regular, obviously, but it won't be Spanish. It'll just be regular honky rice sausage casserole. You don't want to be a honky, do you? Be Spanish like I am today. All right, toss this in. Now, since they're already cooked, we don't have to cook them, if you will, for too long. Let's put them in here, coat them in the oil, let them fry, maybe get a little bit of golden brownness, a little bit of crispiness on them. As it's already looking really good, man. Longaniza. Longaniza sausage. You can get them regular or hot. Probably get them with garlic and honey and yeah. Anyway, let's let this cook. All right, looking good. Now you probably can't tell on the camera because the lighting does no justice. But if you let it sit for a minute or so, you see the oil gets like an orangey yellowish to it. That's the insidiness. That's the longaniza contributing to the dish, baby. Love it. All right. Now we see some slightly golden brownness on our longaniza pieces, so excellent. Smells really good. Looks really good. It's gonna look even freaking better, baby. You know why? Because now we're gonna add some kidney beans. I'd say at minimum of a cup. I like to go overboard because I am a hungry man. So we're gonna add 540 milliliters of kidney bean. These have been rinsed and put back into the can. There we go. Get in there. And we're gonna add some corn. Some Peaches and Cream kernel corn from Del Monte. I'd say minimum a cup. We're gonna add 340, I think isn't 340, how much is this whole cup? The whole cup is 250 milliliters. So we're gonna add more than a cup because why not? All right, there we go. And we're gonna add our uncooked rice using Basmati rice. This is 2 cups. I've already rinsed it in cold water. Get on in there, baby. Yeah. Very, very lovely. Oh, smells really good, man. Smells so good, I can eat it. Let's give it a mix. Get everything coated in the lovely longaniza oil with onion and garlic. Oh, I love the colors, baby. I love colors. And we're gonna add green to it because I'm gonna add some optional parsley to it. Some fresh Italian parsley. That's right, I'm gonna have a little bit of Italian in this Spanish dish of awesomeness. All right. Ah, smell the sweetness of the corn. Everything's excellent. It's very nice and mixed. Very nice and mixed. Everything's nice and coated, having a good time. Looks like it right on. And now we're gonna add 3 cups of chicken stock. This is 3 cups of chicken stock measured using my Toronto Argonauts cup that I use on my game streams, which you should check out. Live or not live, but do it live so you can join like the thousands and thousands of people who also don't join. You know what I mean? Yeah. Give this a quick mix, just a simple mix because we gotta add something else to it. All right. And that's something else. We're gonna add a half a tablespoon of paprika. Paprika is a staple in Spanish cooking, baby. There we go, a nice heaping half tablespoon of paprika. This is gonna add some of the red color, especially to the rice. Ah, love it, baby. Should I add more? Let's add like a little smidgen more because why not? A little salt. There we go. A little pepper. I love the smell of pepper, man. Love it. Give it a mix. Oh, smell the pepper. Oh, this is gonna be so good, baby. It's gonna be so smoking awesome. Now what I wanna do, I wanna raise the temperature to high. I wanna bring this to a boil. Then we're gonna lower it, cover it, and allow it to cook until pretty much all of the broth has been soaked up by the rice and everybody else who's taking part in this longaniza rice casserole party, baby. Oh yeah, smells good. Smells good, looks lovely. Yeah. I'm recording, right? Yeah, I am. Just checking. Always gotta check that, man. Always gotta check, because I'm doing this all by myself, man. I ain't got a director. I'm the director, the producer, the editor, the writer. I'm the be-all, end-all. Don't have enough money to hire a staff. Come on. Damn. All right. This is nice and mixed. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do, as I said, bring this to a boil, lid on, then let it lower the heat to about, I'm gonna lower it back down to medium, let it cook until the pretty much the majority of the broth, ooh, it's already wanting to bubble. The majority of the broth has been all soaked up, and then we're gonna continue from there. Right? So it's already trying to bubble. So we'll cut right now to the lid off part as Toronto Guy's cooking. All right, everybody. Now it's been about 15 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, as you can see, there's no steam on the thing. I did a little quick check to make sure, because I've never cooked this much rice before and in this manner. So I just need to make sure the liquid's dissolved, and it is. And also, I put the lid on before it started boiling, because I mean, what more evidence do you need of burnout, man? All the rice I've made over the years, obviously it's gonna start boiling faster with the lid on top, you clown. All right, let's rock and roll. All right. Smells divine. Give it a mix. There we go. Yes, there we go. So as we can see, all of the chicken stock has been dissolved and sucked up by the rice and friends. Give me my Kermit mitten. Here's my Kermit mitten. All right, because we gotta take the thing off thing. There we go. Okay. Continue giving it a lovely mix up. Smells excellent. Very good. Recording right? Yeah, it is. Just making sure. Let's taste some of the rice, corn, and kidney bean. It's got a slight brownish color to it thanks to the paprika and the longaniza and the purple coming off of the kidney bean skin. Sweetness of the corn. And you can taste the garlic in there too. Oh, let's have a piece of longaniza. Oh, longaniza sausage, baby. Like the regular stuff, it's got like a slight sweetness to it. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I want to take it even more, but it's hot, man. It's really hot. Very good. Hot. Love it. So now we're gonna bowl it. Thank you. All right, let's get some nice hunks of longaniza in here with our kidney beans and our corn. Yeah. More longaniza, man. Got to see longaniza. It is, after all, longaniza and rice casserole. There we go. There we go. Can you probably use less rice as well? You know what I mean? There we go. Or either less rice or more of everything else. There we go. Let's spread them out a little bit. Let's spread them out so they're all like nice and like all over the place. Like, look, there's some there and there's some there. Oh my God, there's just longaniza everywhere. Woohoo! Oh, it's good. It smells amazing in here. All right. Now we're gonna add some colors. Got some fresh Italian parsley. Get on in there. You can leave for now. Get on in there. We're gonna save a couple for our. Don't want to go too overboard. We didn't chop it. Just stick it. We're gonna stick it so it's like nice and visible. And yeah, probably should have cut it up, but I'm burnt out. As I said, September will be back. And I also, just for optionals, I grated up some Monterey Jack cheese. Let's just put it right in the middle. There we go. Right in the middle. Give me a piece of longaniza for the one more piece for people to see in the picture. There we go. Here we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. I love the color. No justice. I'm burnt out. Well, I just need a break. I'm taking summer holidays, all right? I'll be back in September. But until then, since the lighting does no justice, and I'm sure it will still do no justice a month and a half from now, let's take a picture and insert it right here. And there you have it, kids. A simple, colorful, one-pot, tasty longaniza and rice casserole. May just call it sausages and rice, but no, I want to be exotic. Longaniza and rice casserole with kidney beans, and I put cheese in there. Got some fresh parsley on top. Love it. This has been Toronto Guy. This needs to cool down because I really want to scarf down some more. And we will see you, if you're watching these as they upload, we'll see you in a month and a half. You can still watch the streams. I stream like several times a week on my video games. Currently I'm playing Zelda Link's Awakening. But if you're watching this in the future, you can just cut to the very next episode right now. Anyway, we'll see you next time.